Hi everybody, my name is Alphonse. I'm an Oracle DBA. I just want to demonstrate how you can install a virtual machine that is Oracle database ready on your laptop. If you have at least 6 gigabytes of RAM, we're going to use 2 of it for the virtual machine, and we'll also need an extra 40 gigabytes of storage. We will need an ISO image. I will need the virtual machine, the virtualization software, which we choose. We're going to go with the VirtualBox from Oracle. So the steps I'm going to follow are on this link, Oracle Base, right here. Follow the steps as is. Step 17, though, you will have to pick these software packages. These are the ones that make it Oracle ready, actually. So let's go ahead and download, and I'm going to show you how to get the ISO image. I choose to go with the Oracle Linux 6. So I'm going to go to Google. That's already getting in here. By the way, these are the steps right here. Let's go to Google and do a delivery. Go to Oracle's website. You need to sign in. Well, looks like I was already signed in actually. So just type Oracle Linux. And if you choose Oracle Linux, you will see all the different editions. I will pick the latest 6, and it's gonna kind of save it in a cart. Go to your cart and choose a platform, x86 64-bit for me. Click out of it and say continue. Now you see various, you gotta accept these terms. I don't want to fill this away. I uncheck everything and leave just what I need, which is this. All right, I'm gonna say download. Now, if this is your first time, you're not gonna see this directly. It's gonna ask you to configure it. I am going to choose the location where I want this to be saved. Well, let's just say here for the sake of it. Oracle Linux 6 maybe, and I will say save it there. Yeah, and then it's going to start downloading. I already have it. I'm going to stop it. So next we're going to do is to get the VirtualBox software. So type VirtualBox, go to downloads. Most of us have Windows. Come right down here, just pick Windows host. It's going to download it for you right down in the bottom. You also need another piece of software from here, extension pack right here. Click on all supported platforms. You get those two. The one on your right, this one here, is your main one. Click on it, open it, run it. You are installing, install it. All you need to do is click run, and then you say next, 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 check, check, check. Just allow everything to go. And then at the end, you just say finish, let it install. I already have it, I'm not going to run it. Once you do that, you must add the extension pack. Click on extension pack. It's going to open it up for you, and you're going to install. Mine says reinstall because I already have it. I'm not going to reinstall. And then here you will find yourself here. The difference is you will not have anything on the left side. All right, I do because I do. Now you're going to click on new, pick your name of your machine. For instance, my first VM. Pick the platform. we are doing Linux, pick the variant of Linux. We're doing Oracle Linux, 64-bit. Next, we want to give it 2 gigabytes of RAM, so 2048 megabytes. Say next, say next. So create, say next. Dynamic is good, say yes. Let's give it 40. If you give it less than 35, you may be in trouble. All right, create. Now we have our virtual machine at the bottom. Now you got to click on start. Let's cancel that. Oh, I know what it is. We're supposed to attach some things. On settings, we have to pick a few things. Check and see if everything is correct. Go down the list on your left. Start with the top. General. We pick this from the beginning. It's all fine. You can always change the name here. My first VM 1. That's fine. Now system. Everything is fine. Display, everything is fine. Storage, this is where we add our storage. The CD, which is the ISO image, click here, click on this folder and go to where you saved your CD, select it and open. There you go, it's attached. And go to audio, nothing to change. Network, very important, you must change something here. Bridged adapter, it just means it's going to pick up the connection from your laptop's internet. Say allow all down there, then go to the second one. I like to attach another adapter and I'll pick host only and I will allow all, still allow all, then I'll say okay, then I will launch. It shouldn't be long before it gives us back a prompt to pick something. Pick the first one. You can go up and down, but we need to pick the first one here. Here we're going to skip. The screen resolution for me is a little bad. Well, not bad, but small. So we are going to have to scroll up and down. If you need to go click the next in here, you need to click inside to change your cursor. And so with the black cursor moving, you know you're inside the virtual machine, but you cannot go out. Oh, well, you can go out. For some of you, you may not be able to go out. In order to get your laptop's cursor back or pointer, you need to press the control key on your keyboard on the right side. Right control, that's how I call it. Next, I select English, US English. Basic, I'll leave it at that. Yes, discard any. From top to bottom, I'll change the local domain name to anything that you want it to be. Call it afrit.com. And I'll change the network configurations because I want it to come up automatically when I start the machine. Apply, next one, edit. Connect automatically, apply, close. Then I will go next. I'm gonna pick where I am. I'm usually in the East Coast, so I'm just gonna leave it here. Right now I'm not. I'm actually in Europe. Next I will pick. I'll just go next. I'll pick a password for my root. It's weak, but it's okay. Replace all things Linux. Okay. Right changes. Now this is the step 17 I was telling you about. You have to come here and pick just exactly these. Customize. Next. So this may take a while. So now everything is complete. We are going to reboot. So we have to do some after configuration, post configurations. So forward, agree to terms. No, do not register. They want you to create a user here. Not necessary. Well, for the sake of it, let's do it. Pick a date and time. It's midnight 42. Gonna reboot one more time and think that'll be it. All right, so we can log in as user one right now. Um, Applications, system tools. So this is the desktop of your machine. You have a command prompt. It's called a console because you're on the machine itself. IP address. See, we have an address. The bridge adapter picked up my home network, and this one picked up the host only network 106. I can test a ping a.co, that's amazon.com, or ping, I like to keep it short, amazon.com. I just want 3 pings. I'm able to talk to the internet, that's good. And usually what you do, if you do a cat etc release, sorry, Red Hat release, you see, well, yes, you're at 6.7 Santiago. There's so much to do here. It's good to go to root and do a yum update. You're gonna have about 300 gigabytes of updates to do. 300 megabytes, I beg your pardon. Because since from 6 point, we are now at 610, and I downloaded, I installed 6.7, so we have to make it up to 610. 670, almost 700. So this will take forever. I think we are done because at this point you are ready to install Oracle database 11G, 12C, 12.1, 12.2, 12.201, 12.202, still to come out, that's 18C. You may need additional packages, but that's, you're good at this point. So that's it on my video. I am going to say yes. I'm going to download this. It's going to take about 30 minutes. So we're going to end here. Thank you for watching. I will try to edit and make it shorter. Thank you. Bye.